I have butterfly-shaped candy.
I have buffalo-shaped candy.
Have a small rooster.
Hey, Poor, look at my candy.
See, poor, I am eating it.
I will get you the best candy. Uncle, will you give me candy in exchange of this small rooster?
No, son, I can't give candy in exchange of this. But do you like my video?
Yes, Uncle.
Come on, let's spin this lucky draw. Whoever comes, I will make him. If yours is stuck on Sunda, then you will get Cretella lineata candy. Friends, if you love your mother, then like and subscribe. Tell me the name of your love country in the comment. Here is your candy, son.
Now I will show it to my friends. Hey, look, how is it?
Wow, it is very good candy.
Let's pick it together.